Strategic and operational risk management. Asset management without effective risk management is meaningless because decisions are always made under uncertainty. Risks occur mainly at two levels. Strategic risks threaten the entire organization and long-term objectives. Operational risks affect daily asset operations and performance. Understanding both and their interaction is critical for effective asset management. What is risk? According to ISO 31000, risk is the effect of uncertainty on objectives. Anything that could prevent us from reaching our goals positively or negatively. Strategic risks. This impacts mission, vision, financial sustainability, and reputation. Examples in water utilities. Insufficient funding for infrastructure investment, climate change and prolonged droughts, changes in national laws and standards, loss of public trust due to major failures like a city's main pipeline burst. Another example for a water utility would be failing to invest sufficiently now may face a closely wave of failures in 10 years that damage both budgets and reputation, a classic strategic risk. Operational risk. Risk affecting day-to-day asset functioning. Examples, sudden pump station breakdowns, sewer network blockages, frequent pipe breaks on a street, human errors by operators. An example for operational risk would be a pump failure leaving a neighborhood without water for hours is an operational risk. Relation between strategic and operational risks. Repeated or widespread operational risk can become strategic risk. Likewise, a strategic risk can manifest operationally. For example, climate change as a strategic risk caused drought. Increased groundwater pumping pressure caused more pump failures as the operational risk. Risk management tools. Risk matrix. Likelihood multiple consequence. Risk register. Listing all risks with priority and control plans. Scenario analysis. Simulating different conditions. Business continuity planning. Preparing for crisis. As a case study, consider a large utility decides strategically to invest in seawater desalination for drought resilience. Operationally, it must ensure high pressure pumps at the plant are well maintained or the entire project could fail. Strategic decisions without operational risk controls often fail. ISO 55001 requires risk management at all levels. SAMP must show how strategic risks like capital shortages translate into operational programs like pipe replacements. In summary, strategic risks threaten organizational-wide goals. Operational risks impact daily performance. Both levels are interdependent and must align in management. Tools like risk matrix, registers, and scenario analysis help effectively manage risks. Now, some question for you. What strategic risk concerns your organization most? What was the last operational risk you managed and how? What information would you include in a risk register? See you in the next session.